loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 fashion hacks that every girl needs to know. These are very, very important, and I'm very excited because this is the first fashion hacks that I've ever shared on my channel, and I have so many tips and tricks that I want to share with you guys. So if you end up liking this video, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below so I know you guys would like to see more. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the most important hack that I'm going to share with you is to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you guys never miss out on a video. See what I did there? But no, really, I upload it twice a week about fashion and beauty, so if you like this video, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the good stuff and share with you these hacks. So hack number 1 is unlike anything I've really seen for women. I remember my dad using them in his shoes when I was younger. So anyways, hack number 1 is the Forme shoe shapers. So I'm pretty excited to have these in my life because I definitely know they're going to serve a purpose. So excited that I actually teamed up with Forme to share them with you today. So I have here a pair of heels that absolutely kill my feet. Now, I should have bought a half size bigger, but at the time, I didn't know that these would hurt my feet so bad. Lesson learned, and just as the founder said, these are the I wish they fit shoes. And I really wish they did because I want to wear them so bad. So I'm definitely going to put the Forme shoe shapers to the test today and see if I can wear these again because I really, really want to. I want to wear these so bad. So a few days ago, I put the shoe shapers in my black pumps so I could test how quickly they worked. The shapers have dual stretching capabilities. They were designed for heels, but they also work in flats, pumps, and booties. And the best part is they expand the toe area of the heel up to a half size up, relieving numbness and cramped toes, which is exactly what I need in these heels. Okay, so let's go ahead and try them on and see how they fit. Okay, so taking out the shoe shapers, 1 heel, 2 heel. So first off, I can already see less creasing and the shoe looks like it's holding a better shape. I'm gonna slide them on right here. I'm also trying them on in the corner. 1 heel's on, 2 heels on, and yep, they already fit so much better. I can wear my heels again, and you guys have no idea how happy that makes me. I've been wanting to wear these for so long, but they hurt so bad. I can literally keep these inside of these heels and have them continually stretching and holding their shape, so that way they will always fit, and they're gonna be a half size bigger, which I'm so excited about. Can you tell? And I only left these in for 48 hours. So imagine if I leave them in longer, how much better they're gonna fit in like a week, a month. Like, I'm just gonna keep these in there, that's for sure. These are dedicated to these heels, so I might need more of these. Oh, and the best part about these is they're so lightweight that I can travel with them, which is always good for me because you guys know I'm constantly traveling. These are approved and definitely something that every woman should own. That is just like, you guys need these. Just do yourself a favor and stretch out your shoes and make them comfortable. And don't let those amazing heels sit on those shelves anymore. That's all I gotta say. Yay! Hack number 2 is tissue paper. Well, not just tissue paper, it's how I use the tissue paper. So one of my favorite hacks that I use on the daily is taking a piece of toilet paper and putting it around the collar of my shirt. Now you might be asking why. Why do you do that? Well, if you put on makeup on the daily, which I do every day, I also put it down on my neck, which you should also be doing. And if you wear collared shirts, turtlenecks, honestly, sometimes sweaters, anything, you will see makeup on the collar. And you're like, that doesn't look very good. You don't want to show up somewhere and have makeup on your collar. I mean, if you do, that's totally fine. But me personally, I don't want to have a white collar and have makeup all around the inside. So my little hack is to take this toilet paper, wrap it around your neck, like tuck it into the collar, almost like a collar bib. Do you see what I'm saying? So you just tuck it around and you leave it there while you get ready. You just let it rub against your neck and you just want to get the excess makeup off. Now the only trick is to remember to take it out of your shirt. There's been many times where I walk out the door and I just have like toilet paper or tissue paper hanging out of my turtleneck and I'm like, oh, oops. Oops. Anyways, this hack is so simple yet brilliant. So do it on the daily and you will save yourself from the embarrassment of having makeup all over your collar because I hate that. Every once in a while when I forget, I'm like, oh no, no, you don't want that. So do this on the daily. So this last hack is an absolute fashion saver. Every woman should own a sweater shaver. This thing is brilliant. Now I think the technical term for this is a fabric shaver, but sweater shaver sounds cuter to me. Anyways, this tool is so easy to use and it works like a charm. All you do is plug it in, turn it on, make sure your clothes are on a flat surface, and all you do is start rubbing this tool onto the fabric. It is so simple and it takes away all that fabric that's peeling, any fuzzies, anything, and it literally just makes your clothes look like new. Well, pretty close, but it gets rid of all those pieces where you're like, I should get rid of this item. It really does save clothes. I know I just showed you guys me shaving these gray pants, so I did this half. So I took off all the peeling that was happening where my legs rub, and this is the side that I didn't do. Such a huge difference. I honestly probably would have gotten rid of these pants after a little bit because I'm like, ooh, they're just peeling. But I've saved them. I just got rid of all that little excess rubbing, peelingness that was happening, and yeah, now I get to keep wearing them. So I mainly use this on sweaters, but you can also use it on sweatpants, sweatshirts, curtains, drapes, blankets, anything that starts to peel and look worn. Use this and it will seriously save all your fabrics. Like, highly recommended. You need this in your life. Well, there you have it. Those are my 3 fashion hacks that I'm going to share with you today. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you guys would like to see more of these videos. I'm very curious if you guys like fashion hacks and tips and tricks. Anyways, I got tons of them in my sleeve. Just kidding. I just wanted to do that because I have these big sleeves on. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe if you guys have not done so already. The fact you guys have made it this far means maybe you guys are interested. Ooh, and also I will link everything down below. The sweater shaver, the shoe shapers, even the toilet paper in case you guys need it. I don't know, it'll all be down there. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.